Alright, hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to sort an array manually in Java. There are many ways you can sort an array. You can definitely use methods that are in like what you can import, like import java.util.arrays, and you can do arrays.sort. But you could also do it manually if you really wanted to. It's much longer and more tedious, but definitely works, and it's a good problem for learning the basics of Java, in my opinion. So yeah, here's how you do it. So let's start out with just a regular array. Let's call it x, and let's just put I don't know 4, 2, 5, 3, 1. Just go with that. It's 5 numbers. So what we need to do is sort this from least to greatest. So it should go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 after we print. Alright, so what do we have to do? Well, first thing that comes to my mind at least, what we can do is iterate through each of the index values of the array and compare them. And if one is greater than the other, we can swap them. And if we do this to the entire array, it should swap everything, meaning the largest number should be at the end, and the smallest number should be replaced with the first. Alright, let's see if we can do this. So to do this, we need to swap, and to swap, we need a temporary placeholder variable. So let's just call that temp. So we have temp, and let's make our iterative for loops. So let's start with I. This should be less than x dot length, and plus plus. And let's make another one. This is the one we compare the x of I to. Let's just call this j. And this should be after 1 greater than I, so it should be I plus 1. Because we need to compare it to the value next to I. This is also less than x dot length. And j plus plus. Okay, so there we have it, both our for loops. Now what we have to do is compare these two values. So let's have an if statement. If the value of x of I is greater than x of j, then, oh, let's do this real quick. Alright, so let's make temp for temporary placeholder variable equal to x of I, and then let's make x of I equal to x of j. So this is just a swapping process, and x of j equal to our temporary placeholder variable. Okay, so this should be the end of our swapping sequence. So let's go outside our for loop so we can print. So let's print out, we need another for loop to print out each index of the variable. So let's make another for loop. Let's just call this I again. Since we're outside the for loop, doesn't really matter. It's less than x dot length, I plus plus. And then we need to system out println, printline the x of I. So this should print out each index after it's sorted. So let's see if this worked. Yep, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically what we did was we sorted this. So we checked each index and checked if the first one was greater than the next one. And if they were, we swapped them, and we went through the array multiple times and checked each time to see if it was true. And if it was true and everything was alright, then it stopped and printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's basically it.